In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to read mode in Microsoft Word. Read mode is designed to make documents easier to read by clearing away most editing tools and optimizing the page layout for your screen. It's great when you want to focus, review, or present text cleanly without the visual clutter of the full editing interface. Let's start with the simplest approach using the ribbon. Open your document in Word so you're looking at the standard editing view. Along the top, you'll see the ribbon, which is the row of tabs like Home, Insert, Layout, and View. Click the View tab to reveal different ways you can display your document. In that set of options, choose Read Mode. The moment you click it, Word shifts into a clean, reader-friendly layout. The toolbar collapses, margins adjust for comfortable reading, and navigation becomes smoother. You can move through the document with your mouse wheel, your trackpad, or the arrow keys. Depending on your screen size, Word may show pages side by side or one at a time, giving you a book-like feel. There's also a quick shortcut right from the window itself. Look to the bottom right corner of the Word window, on the status bar. You'll see a set of view buttons next to the zoom slider. Click the Read Mode icon to switch instantly. This is handy when you're mid-edit and just want to jump into a distraction-free view without changing tabs. If the window is very narrow, some labels might be hidden, but the icons remain. The Read Mode icon typically looks like a page or an open book, so it's easy to spot. A few useful tips while you're in Read Mode. You can still zoom in or out with the slider in the bottom right corner to make text more comfortable for your eyes. Depending on your version of Word, you may also see options to adjust column width or the page color to reduce eye strain, especially in low light. If your screen is small, Word will adapt the layout to keep text crisp and readable. When you're ready to return to editing, simply exit Read Mode. You can click View at the top and switch back to your normal editing view, such as Print Layout. On many setups, pressing the Escape key will also return you to the standard interface. That way, you can jump seamlessly between reading and editing whenever you need. And that's all it takes to use Read Mode in Word via the View tab or the bottom right view button, so you can read comfortably and stay focused.